Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Hell Let Loose Vietnam game not working, not opening, keep stopping, crashing or crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes mentioned in this video. First fix is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PS5 and then launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license. Select Hell Let Loose Vietnam game and then select restore, select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to switch internet connection. So you can use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to other Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check. Or you can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In the Wi-Fi frequency, either switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and see which one works for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database OK. Now launch the Hell Let Loose Vietnam game and check if the problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to delete game data and cache. Now please take a note, you must back up the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage, delete. Select Hell Let Loose Vietnam game, then select delete and then OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation network account, go to settings, users and accounts, others, sign out, then wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network, settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Now change the DNS settings from automatic to manual and in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit on OK to save the changes and then you can go ahead to launch the game and check. Now if that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit on OK to save the changes and then again relaunch the game and check. Fix 9 is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Hell Let Loose Vietnam game to SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix Hell Let Loose Vietnam game not working, not opening, keep stopping, crashing or crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.